Yo, what's up guys? My name's Kit, and today we'll be unboxing the Apple MFI certified 10 feet white 6-pack of cables, lightning cables in fact. So we're gonna go ahead, cut this thing open, tear it apart, and here we have it, our box that contains the cables. There's actually two boxes. One will contain 3 cables. The other one will also contain 3 cables. They're both identical in quantity. Then there's this plastic thing holding them together, and bam, you can now take them out. And yeah, you have 2 boxes with 3 lightning cables inside of them. So let's open one of them. In this one we have 1 10 feet lightning cable, 2 10 feet lightning cable, and 3 10 feet lightning cable. Each cable comes with their own cable ties, and it was made in China. Thanks for watching. Goodbye.